Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to learn about tablet deduster. So while compression along with the tablets, a lot of powder adhered to the compressed tablets. In order to remove those adhered powder and make the tablet surface clear of the powder and suitable for packing and coating, so tablet dedusting is a very important step. So there is a direct attachment of tablet dedusters to the compression machines are there nowadays. After compression, the tablets pass through the tablet dedusters collected into the holding containers, either for the next stage coating or for packing. So coming to the tablet deduster, there are two types of tablet dedusters. So first of all, let us know the introduction. So while compression, tablets after compression of tablets using powders or granules on a compression machine, after compression the fine powder or dust particle often adhere to the surface of the tablet, and this residual dust must be removed to ensure smooth processing during tablet coating and blistering, especially for uncoated tablets. So tablet deduster. A tablet deduster is an equipment to remove fine powder from the surface of tablets, making the tablet smooth and clean. This process is essential for maintaining quality and appearance of the final product. As I already mentioned, two types: horizontal tablet deduster, uphill tablet deduster. In a horizontal tablet deduster, this is a conventional type commonly used in pharmaceutical industry. Components of a horizontal tablet deduster are tablet charging chute, discharging chute, swivel baffle mesh, and dust or powder collection system. And next one is uphill tablet deduster. And let us discuss first of all the horizontal tablet deduster. The material of construction is stainless steel 316L, and the procedure is the tablet charging chute of the deduster is a tablet charging chute to the deduster is connected to the tablet discharging chute, where the tablets come from the compression machine, with both are connected, and the compressor tablets go through the deduster through the discharging chute from compression machine to the deduster, and inside the deduster these tablets enter the main body, which contain a perforated mesh with baffles. So the mesh revolves horizontally around its axis, creating a zigzag or swirling motion. Once you can search in the Google what is swirling motion. As the tablet move from one end to the other, fine powder is removed from their surface. So in this way, dedusting of tablets takes place, and the separated dust is collected in a dust collection box. Coming to the next is uphill tablet deduster. This type of deduster operates vertically. So the conventional is horizontal. This is a uphill. Vertical, where tablets move from bottom to the top and fall into the container, and they move through the mesh, whole perforated mesh. So components: tablet charging chute, tablet discharging chute, vibratory mechanism, perforated round uphill mesh, dust or powder collection system, and air system. So like horizontal, it is also made up of stainless steel grade 316 procedure. Tablets are transferred from compression machine to the charging chute of the uphill tablet deduster. Once the tablets enter the uphill deduster, they move upwards on a perforated mesh due to the vibratory mechanism. Due to vibration, the tablets move from bottom to upward. So as the tablet travels upwards, an air shower system helps remove the dust from the tablet surface. This collected dust is stored in a dust collection chamber, and clean tablets are collected in a container after passing through the discharging chute. Passing means coming out from the discharging chute. So this is about tablet deduster and types of tablet dedusters. I hope you like the information, and for more interesting pharma related knowledge, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. And this is Naveen, and don't forget to like the video.